In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view history in Lucidchart. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply need to track your progress over time, knowing how to access the revision history in Lucidchart can be invaluable. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can easily navigate this feature. To get started, we first need to head over to Lucidchart's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Lucid website. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log in. If you're a returning user, you'll likely see the Login button prominently displayed on the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Login portal. Now, if you haven't already created a Lucidchart account, you'll need to sign up. For this tutorial, we'll sign up using Google, which streamlines the process by linking your Google account with Lucidchart. Look for the option to sign up with Google and click it. This will take you to a new window where you can choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the appropriate account and permissions may need to be granted. Ensure you allow the necessary access to move forward. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the document you wish to check the history for and click to open it. Remember, this document should preferably be one where you or your team have been making changes, as this will provide a more comprehensive history to view. With your document now open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Locate the File option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various options related to document management. Within this menu, look for an option titled Show Revision History. It's important to note that this is a premium feature available only with an upgraded plan. If you haven't yet subscribed to a premium plan, you might want to consider it to access the revision history feature fully. Once you select Show Revision History, Lucidchart will display a timeline of changes made to the document. This feature can be particularly useful for pinpointing when specific edits occurred or understanding who contributed particular changes. In summary, viewing the history in Lucidchart is a straightforward process once you're familiar with the interface. Just remember to check your plan's features if you need access to revision history, especially if collaboration and tracking changes are frequent needs for your projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this.